thought came to me because when I went to see this dance, it was amazing. It's mind blowing. I said, this kind of a dance, our audience also should see it. Our Indian audience, our Indian artists, they should see it. So very few people would have definitely seen this dance from India also when they visit Georgia, but not entire country. No? So now I'm taking this troupe, this synergy to Bombay, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai in 4 cities. So I'm trying my best to call everybody, please come and see. It was amazing to see so many Russians know me so well. I just went like that. I could see, just recently I went for the parliament delegation. So outside my hotel there are so many people standing. I think they're all coming. Zita Gita, all flowers, some chocolates. They were all so fond of me. And because they are all young boys and girls, their parents have been watching this Sita Gita and they are so much impressed with that. Then when I talked to them about Sholay, which is so popular in India, they don't know at all what is Sholay. It was so funny, to see this. If it is a boy, then what you will teach? Ask. You are not asking that.
Okay, so if it's a boy, what will you teach him?
I will teach Georgian dance. Because the boys must dance like a man. And the dance style is something different. Very energetic, very strong. Only very strong boys can do this. All are very excited. So this excitement we have already gone through because Ahana has given that experience to us. It's not that it's the first time it's happening in our family. Because Ahana because she is not a actress, so her baby's birth and all became little. But people were knowing I became the grandmother. So she has given that enjoyment, that pleasure to me, Ahana and Vaibhav. That beautiful child, my little grandson, he is adorable. I just love being with him. I miss him already. So I want to go back soon to Bombay to be with him, to play with him, to carry him. And because Ganpati is going on now, so every day we have Aarti for 10 days, we have kept Ganpati. So he loves coming there and then the Ganpati Bappa Moria. And then I have taught him Vakratunda Mahakaya, Shlok and all. So he's so small, but still he says everything. He tries to grasp, then Hare Krishna, he says. So, whatever you teach, their child will learn. So, you teach nice things to the child. Being a mother of 2 daughters is a tough job. It is tough. Yes, it's not that easy. It is not that easy, and I have handled it.
Difficulties
So many difficulties come. I think every mother faces that. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ हमारे पास आते हैं, सबके घर में होता है ना. लड़कियों का पालना बड़ा करना, it's not a easy thing. आलिया भट्ट शुद्ध.
और ये भी बसंती.
बसंती तो शायद श्रद्धा कपूर ने किया ना. Some dance number Indian movie, they stopped it. Along with me, it stopped. When Vajintmala Padmini time, it used to have every dance, means it used to be classical dance or a typical folk dance. Folk dance of India is also so beautiful. They used to depict that. फिर Bollywood dance आ गया, तो उसके बाद तो film dance is all gone. Even on television shows, any reality shows of dance, it has to be a film based, otherwise they don't take it. It is very sad to say that nobody wants to watch classical dance in film. But if a very popular artist, popular actress, if she does one part of Bharatanatyam or whatever classical form, little bit, if they do it, it will work. I feel very funny.
Why is it funny for you?
I think you're a bit
Because ageless. I find it really funny. अभी एज जाता है अभी now 1 more year will pass, I'll become 1 more year older, isn't it?
But still the beauty remains.
I mean, it depends on you. It is totally in your mind. You want to look good, you can look good. If you think, no, I don't want to, you will not look good. It is very important to understand this part of it. I want to look very slim. You think in your mind, and you'll automatically, it will help. If you say, no, I want to be like this, it immediately makes, it's very funny what I'm saying. You won't believe it, but it is a fact.